In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean an email list in Klaviyo. Cleaning your email list regularly helps protect deliverability, improves engagement, and keeps your account costs under control. We'll walk through Klaviyo's dashboard to locate inactive contacts, tidy up their segment or list, merge as needed, and remove what you no longer need, all without disturbing your healthy subscribers. Start by heading to the Klaviyo home dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and open the audience section. This is where all of your contacts live. From there, choose Lists and Segments. You'll see all of your lists and dynamic segments side by side, which makes it easy to compare what's active and what's not. Locate the inactive group you plan to clean. This could be a segment you use to identify unengaged profiles. Open it, then use the three dots menu next to the item to access more options. Select Update Definition. This is where you confirm the logic behind your inactive segment so it aligns with how your team defines inactivity. For example, you might base it on a lack of opens or clicks over a certain time frame. Make sure the definition reflects your criteria, then save. Next, use the same menu to edit list name or segment name if the label isn't clear. Clear names help you and your teammates avoid mistakes when you're merging or deleting later. If you're consolidating, choose Merge List. This action moves the contacts from this source into a destination list you already use for active subscribers or a holding list. When prompted, choose the destination list to merge into. Double check that you've picked the correct destination, then click Merge. Klaviyo will combine the contacts and handle any duplicates automatically. Once the merge finishes and you've confirmed everything looks right, open the three dots menu again on the source item. Select Delete List to remove the now redundant list from your account. Klaviyo will ask you to confirm the deletion. Click Delete again. Deleting an empty or merged source reduces clutter and prevents accidental sends to the wrong audience later. Before you repeat this process with other items, take advantage of the type filter at the top of the Lists and Segments page. Filtering by types lets you quickly switch between viewing only lists or only segments, which streamlines cleanup and reduces the chance of acting on the wrong object. That's it. By reviewing your inactive segment definition, merging carefully, and deleting what you no longer need, you'll keep Klaviyo neat, efficient, and ready for better results on your next send.